I was always a hyperactive, unfocused kid, even at an early age. Apparently, one day when I was 3 years old, and my grandfather on my mother's side was over the house, and I must have been crawling up the walls and ripping the house apart, and he looked at my mother and he said, "That kid will never amount to anything." And I think kids with ADHD carry those words throughout various stages of their life. They get into school, they don't learn the way they're being taught, they get frustrated, the report cards come home and they say so-and-so needs to try harder, so-and-so can't focus, and those words stick with people with ADHD into their adult life. I wrote Overcoming Distractions because guess what? Kids with ADHD grow up to be adults with ADHD. You don't outgrow it. And many of us have learned to thrive with our ADHD. We've learned to leverage it. We've learned to harness the good of ADHD, to build businesses, to build careers that we love, to fit in. And the people I interviewed for this book, 28 in all, told me some incredible stories of their success and street smart advice. Not hacks to trick your brain, just street smart advice for living and thriving with ADHD. And that's what you get when you read Overcoming Distractions, a street smart approach to thriving with adult ADHD. I'm proud to tell these stories of people with adult ADHD who are thriving in business and life. And it goes to show you that those bad report cards don't indicate how you're going to be successful for the rest of your life. And these people shared quite a bit with me. And they're proud as well.